Hey, what's going on, guys? It's David here at StrategicFXTrader. Wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to take partial profits. In this case, we're going to jump right into it. So let's just say you guys are in a trade, currently in a buy. You have a target up here, and you decided, hey, you know what? Let me take some profits off the table. So what you would normally do is go to price over here on Metatrader 4. Okay. Look in the volume box. Like I said, we are in a one lot standard trade, and we wanted to take about 50% off that trade. Okay, so what you would do is under the volume box, put 50, which is half the standard lot, and go ahead and click close on the trade. So right now we're roughly about $90 in profit. We'll go ahead and click close trade, and you can see down here the trade is cut in half. You still have half of the position still running. Okay, and if you go over to account history, you can see that half the trade was closed and you have $45 or half the trade in profit already. Okay, so that's just a quick tutorial on how to take profits. If you decide you want to take additional profits off, same thing. You go back to price, and decide you want to take more off the table, you would just enter how much you want to take off under volume and close again. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you are able to learn something. Till next time.